course, and in opening the embassy in Jerusalem yesterday. It's a big, big step. And Jerusalem, may Jerusalem bless you. And may you be blessed. And you know, it's not an easy day. We just now, Israeli citizens were shot on their bridge with Jordan because terrorists want to derail our relations with Jordan. And you know how it is in this very extreme region. So we send our heartfelt condolences to the families.
Yes, we also condolences to the yourself, President, the government, the people of Israel.
And especially we want to see the hostages back, and I know we've had an in-depth discussion with our Prime Minister and our government, right?
Yes,
On this.
we are also very keenly following that.